In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the microphone in Google Translate. We will walk through the browser settings so your voice input works smoothly again. First, open Chrome settings. To get there, look at the top right of your Chrome window and click the three-dot menu. When the menu opens, choose the option labeled Settings, which usually appears near the bottom of the list. Once you click it, a new tab opens with the Chrome settings page, and you should see a search bar at the top and a menu list on the left side. Now, in that Settings tab, click Privacy and Security. You will find it in the left sidebar, along with other sections like Appearance and Search Engine. When you click Privacy and Security, the main area on the right changes and shows several cards or rows, such as clear browsing data and cookies and other site data. This tells you that you are in the right section to manage what websites can access on your device. From there, select Site Settings, go to the list under Privacy and Security, and click on the text that says Site Settings. After you click it, the page updates again, and you will see a long list of permissions like location, camera, and microphone. Site Settings is where Chrome stores what each website is allowed to use, so changes here affect how Google Translate can use your microphone. Next up, click Microphone. Scroll down the Site Settings page until you see the heading labeled Permissions, then find the entry named Microphone and click it. When the microphone page opens, you will see a list of available microphones at the top, and underneath that, you see website behaviors such as sites that are allowed or blocked. If you do not see your device listed, it means the system is not giving Chrome a microphone to use. With that ready, choose the correct microphone. Open the drop-down menu at the top of the microphone page and pick the microphone you actually use. On many laptops, this is called default or internal microphone, while headsets or USB mics show their own names. A common beginner mistake is leaving a disconnected headset selected here, which makes Google Translate think there is a microphone but it receives silence. After you select the correct one, Chrome starts using it right away without needing a restart. After that, make sure Google Translate is allowed. Scroll down the microphone page and look at the sections for not allowed to use your microphone and allowed to use your microphone. If you see the Google Translate site address under blocked or not allowed, click the trash icon or change it to allowed so the site can access your mic again. If you do not see it listed at all, the next time you open Google Translate and tap the microphone icon, Chrome will show a small prompt near the address bar asking for permission, and you should choose Allow so it appears under allowed sites. You have now fixed the microphone settings for Google Translate in Chrome, so voice input can hear you again. If this helped your translations work by voice, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple fixes.